Have you ever felt the profound depth in the silence? Ever sensed the strength behind stillness? Today, we venture into the world of quiet individuals and uncover the secret to commanding respect without being the loudest in the room. In a society that often mistakes silence for weakness, it's easy to overlook the power of quietness. However, being quiet is not a shortcoming but rather a strength in disguise. Just like the depth of still waters, the quiet individual possesses profound insights and perspectives. As we journey further, it becomes evident that one's nature, when embraced fully, can become the biggest asset. To be quiet is to be observant, to be reflective. It isn't about how much you speak but the weight of the words when you do. Picture a teapot. Even a small pour can be rich in flavor and warmth, providing comfort and wisdom. One of the most beautiful attributes of those who are quieter is their innate ability to listen actively. In a world clamoring for attention, there's an undeniable strength in genuinely hearing out others. This not only builds stronger connections but also fosters trust and understanding, making others feel valued and respected. Moving forward, let's think about the subtle yet powerful tool of body language. Even without words, our body communicates a universe of emotions. Through intentional gestures, upright posture, and steady eye contact, one can exude confidence, attentiveness, and grace. It's a silent language, echoing louder than words, reminding us that actions often speak volumes. If these reflections resonate with you, give this video a thumbs up and join our journey by subscribing for more such insights. Returning to our exploration, we find that the essence of impactful communication is not verbosity but value. A concise, well-thought-out statement can leave an indelible mark, much more than hours of aimless talk. This approach not only demands attention but also deepens the respect one commands. Furthermore, consistency in actions and behavior cultivates an image of reliability. It's not the loud promises but the quiet follow-throughs that build a solid reputation. Over time, this reliability becomes synonymous with respect, proving that quiet individuals can, and often do, leave a lasting impact on those around them. But being quiet also presents an opportunity, a chance to cultivate and master skills. It's a time that can be channeled into nurturing passions, acquiring knowledge, and honing expertise. Such mastery, when evident, naturally draws admiration and respect from peers and onlookers. Yet, amid all this, it's essential to understand that having a quiet demeanor doesn't negate the presence of a voice. Every quiet person has moments where their voice, though not loud, is firm, clear, and resonant. It's these moments, chosen wisely, that make people sit up and listen. If you've ever felt the power of your quiet strength, share with us by commenting "Still Waters" below. As we wrap up our introspection today, it's pivotal to remember the importance of setting boundaries. Silence is not submission. Every individual, quiet or otherwise, has limits that should be recognized and respected by others. So, as we step out into the noise of the world, let's carry with us the powerful lesson that silence has its symphony, and quietness, its strength. Respect is earned not by volume but by the undeniable value one brings to the table. Embrace the power within your quiet. Until next time.